Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Oh, freaking ready then. Woo! That ass though. Woo! Right? Woo! Oh yeah. Ah, man. Already then, alrighty to the then. What to talk about today? Well, yesterday was the 3rd anniversary of my of my worst crash of my entire life. Yeah. So why don't we talk about that? It's kind of like the rise, the fall, and the rise again of underdog freaking Motomania. Oh man, can't keep me down. Oh man. Okay, let's go back into that. So 3 years ago, yesterday, it's actually the 3rd time out for me on this bike, and the first time riding out with my friends, my friend Rowdy Red and Gabe. And Rowdy Red had the same bike which he had purchased like just a couple days before me from the same dealership for the same deal. Yeah, we both got good deals on this bike. And it was our 3rd ride out, and we were kind of feeling ourselves. Woo! We're kind of feeling ourselves and pushing it to the limit. We come off this road, Culver, and so we came off this road, Culver. He pops a wheelie. It's a really good wheelie. And I'm like, damn, how you do that? So right behind him, this is an enduro gear, I pop a wheelie right behind him. And I'm coming up to this curve, and I'm thinking, man, this is a really good wheelie. I don't want to put it down. So I go around this 45-mile-an-hour curve pretty well. And I got time to think about it. So I'm coming around this curve on one wheel, my 3rd time out on the bike, in enduro setup with the 21-inch front tire. And I'm coming through the curve so smooth on one wheel, I got time to think about it. I'm coming out of a curve. I'm like, man, when I bring this front tire down, do I need to be counter steering? Now granted, I was going to bring it down perfectly straight, so I bring it down, cock it maybe a centimeter to the left to enable a little counter steer, comes down, oh fuck yeah!
Camera.
Yeah, because this camera might show that.
Yeah, you got that alright.
So what is it? You wiggle it down over or something?
Yeah, coming around the corner.
Dude, you alright? You alright? Just stay down, stay down, stay down. Go to the curb. Did you get your wrist? Did you need us to call an ambulance? No? You need to call an ambulance? Yeah, you broke it, dude. Fuck how you want to do this.
Okay.
It's not too bad, actually. This, though, you messed up your rear brake. You need another one of them. Why don't you sit down, dude? Just chill. You got your adrenaline running.
Oh, yeet! And I go flying off the bike. Ah, man. Man, that's rough. But I wear a lot of gear. I ended up seeing oncoming traffic on the other side, thinking I could ride out the speed wobble, but it's bringing me towards the left, towards oncoming traffic. And I decided to reach for the ground because I do not want to go into oncoming traffic. Henceforth, I yeeted up the bike backwards. Hands go up behind me. Left hand hits first. You can see in the video my left arm goes flat. Hand/arms goes flat in an area in which it should probably not be bending yet. I dislocated all the soft tissue, broke the end of the wrist bone, and it took me 2 months to get back out on the bike. But anyway, you can't keep me down. I'm back up now. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Underdog Moto Mania Season 5. We're gonna get on with this ride and we're just gonna do some random shenanigans now. But I just want to include that to honor the 3rd anniversary of my worst crash ever. Lest we never forget, we're gonna get stronger, we're gonna get better, and we learn from stuff. We don't bury it, we don't shy away from it. We're not going to pretend like it didn't happen. Lest it happen again. Woo! Back breakdown. But yeah. And henceforth, because no one's perfect, I got a steering stabilizer now, which, okay. I got a steering stabilizer now, which might have prevented that from happening. Since then, not real crooked, but since then, I brought the front wheel down slightly crooked, and it gave kind of a shake and straight, real quick motion, because I keep it pretty tight. And the steering stabilizer, sheep! I keep it pretty tight to kind of, you know, to do exactly that. Straighten out the wheel as fast as I can. So yeah, Scott's steering stabilizer, highly recommend it. If you're going to be messing around or you're doing some on-off roading, you know, where you get your front tire a little muddy, you know, there's various ways you can get into a wobble. Definitely have the steering stabilizer, and maybe it'll stop you from having a real fucked up day. But yeah, highly recommend steering stabilizer. Very expensive, but geez, so are medical bills. Feeling good in the neighborhood. Right. Holler at your boy when you see him in the street. Right. Boy, wow. Hey. It's not really dead end, but I'm gonna turn around. Got a little swirly. You remember something about this though? Oh boy, yeah. And the fact that you have these tracks that totally obscure this curve is pretty interesting in itself, right? Follow my Instagram, Underdog Moto Mania, and like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel, Underdog Moto Mania. Duh. On the highway, all the wind noise in my helmet. See how this bike sounds? Yikes. Watching Skydio. It's looking back at me, clapping. Alright. 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 Breakdown. Back breakdown. Back brake a couple times. Alright. Kind of confuse it. Down, started getting there, started climbing it. Oh, shite. Okay, there we go. Bad pop. Bad pop again. Oh man, it's been a while, huh? Back brake a couple times. Back brake a couple times. Okay. Let's quit while we're ahead just because I don't know what that dude is doing down there. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Underdog Moto made it again 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Since my crash. 3 years ago since my crash. Still going hard. Still going hard. Still doing my thing out here. Anyway, if you like what you've seen so far, why don't you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share. Until next time, guys, ride safe. Come ride with me. Underdog Moto Media out. Peace. Yeah.